cute.
Alright, so this is the closest I can get to the camera until I get a new camera. Did I say camera a lot? Ah, crap! Charlie horse! My grandma is being so loud while I'm recording. Teeth being so loud, etc. Hi my lovely Tas fams, welcome back to my channel. I got a couple requests from my Snapchatters. If you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, it's Tasialovesyou1. Anyways, I decided I wanted to do a more, instead of like my nightly cleansing routine, I wanted to do more of a night deep cleansing routine. So I do this about once a week and it really helps with my skin. I love taking care of my skin. You don't have to follow my skincare routine. I'm not a dermatologist. This is the way I do it, and if you guys like what you see, then keep watching. The first thing that I do
is pull your hair back, girl.
This is my little sister's. And I got this shirt that says, "Make me bubbles." It's actually my best friend's. If she watches this, shout out to you. I took it just like any other friend would take their clothes. Girls, you know.
You know you steal them clothes. You know you steal your best friend's clothes or your friend's clothes, or get my shirt, I'll bring it back to you.
I mean, I do bring back clothes, but I just simply like this one. I'll give it back, like, eventually. But just not now. But I brought it from her, and thanks, girl, because I am comfy. I want it to be like this so that way you guys can get the vibe of the night scene that I have here and getting ready for bed. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started and stop talking because I'm talking way too much. And sometimes when I have like an idea or something to talk about, I tend to like talk really fast because if I don't, like, I just get excited to tell my like story or whatever's on my mind. And I just have to get it all out or else I'll like forget. I don't know, maybe that's just me. What do you guys think? Do you guys get that way? Comment down below, I wanna know. Okay, so excuse my terrible, look how dry my skin is. I just wanna show you guys how dry it is. This is my grandma's. I'm borrowing it from her until I can get some Neutrogena makeup remover. It's the same thing, but it's a cheaper brand. But I really like the Neutrogena one. I ran out, so this is what I'm gonna have to go for right now. Take all my makeup off first because it's just a first layer of cleaning my skin before I really get to deep cleaning. And go ahead and remove it all off. Down my neck because my neck tends to get dirty. And I don't know what it is, but this is, you know, I've always had this and it just, I was a lot chunkier. I had some leftover fat here, so it's really hard to get rid of. It is one of my insecurities, but you know what? Flaw is a flaw, but what can you do? So sorry if my face or if the camera seems shifted. I accidentally dropped my phone. I need a freaking camera. The next thing I am gonna use is called New 180 Face Wash. Supposedly, it is dermatologist tested. A moisturizer face wash brings out radiance by delivering 10% pure vitamin C to the skin. I am just gonna grab some of this, take about this much. I'm just gonna put that on my face. Ooh. And I'm just using this little scrubby thing. I got this for Christmas. It's just an exfoliator. So I just grab some water and I put it on my face. It doesn't have like cooling or anything. It's just to clean the dirt off. Use this for my lips too because it is a face wash and I use this for everything. And then I have a blue cloth here. It's a little warm still, and I'm just gonna wipe it all off. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm getting everything off my face. The next thing I'm using is Mara Badescu, and it looks like this beautiful thing. It is a enzyme cleansing gel. Again, it's to remove makeup, but I like to do 2 steps because I'm extra like that. I'm just gonna get about this much. I usually don't use water with this first to cleanse it without it. See how it's kind of like watery? just gonna take the other side of this and I'm just gonna wipe like that. And just do the same thing. You don't have to go too hard. Next thing that I'm going to use is this. It's Clear Pore Oil Eliminating
Astringent.
Actually, it is better to get no alcohol in it, but for some reason I really like the little burning feeling, and I feel like it really like cleans my face. So I grabbed a cotton ball, and all you need is this much. Don't put it near your eyes. All you gotta do is like put it around your nose. I feel like it really does clean my face. Grab that much, get it down your neck, because sometimes your neck is really dirty from all your makeup. And it looks like this. Yeah, it's pretty sick. It's completely dry. So the reason why I like doing the toner before this mask that I'm about to use, which is called the black mask, a lot of people have used it and did it on their whole face, but I ain't about that. I did that once and it's never happening again. If you guys have any like questions or like comments about where to get a better mask than this, let me know. I just got it from like beauty shop. The reason why I use this after toning is because I feel like it kind of tightens up my face a little, to where when I put the black mask on, it actually grabs a hold of my like pores more and it like sticks to my face more. But that's just me. I don't know if it really does that. Some on my finger, and I'm just gonna apply it to my inner corner of my nose because that's where I have most of my pores. Everybody could be different. And guys, if you can't tolerate like pain, your skin is very sensitive, I wouldn't use this. Actually, I'm just gonna do my whole nose area. And I do a really thin layer too. You don't really have to do a thick layer. I do some on my chin and some on my forehead. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes, and when it dries, you know, I'll be back and peel it off in front of you guys. Viewer's discretion. If you don't want to watch what is about to come off my face, skip ahead to miss this part. Alright guys, it's been about 15 minutes and it seems like it's already like super hard. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but this is a close-up look of my skin. By the way, tip, try to avoid like too close to your outer skin. I know like sometimes you guys want to like get your full face, but if you want to avoid the pulling, just kind of do it where I'm doing it, closer to the inner face. And I'm just gonna pull. Oh god. Oh, I forgot how bad this hurts. Guys, I'm crying. My face is so sensitive. Alright, let's see if my nose shows anything. Oh my god, look how sensitive I am. See if it pulls anything. Do you guys see that? I mean, you can't really tell because my camera sucks, but just get a wet rag and just wipe the rest off. Now that it's like the winter time still, my skin is very, very dry. So to hydrate my skin, I'm just gonna use a black mask. I just opened it and ripped it. Sorry I didn't get to show you guys, but the inside looks like this. It's just clear. The mask itself is black. Woo! I'm excited. Ooh. It smells very clean. Like, it smells like, I don't even know how to explain it. It just smells very, very like clean and like very subtle. So it's not heavy. If you have sensitive nose to smell, I would recommend this. I always like to start off the forehead, but that's really up to you guys. Move my hair back a little bit more, tighten it on my face. This is more for moisturizing, so you're not going to see it like completely dry on my face and it tighten it, but it's more on nourishing my face. I'm going to put some on my nose, why not? And my lips. This is so nice to wear when you're just relaxing, watching Netflix or your favorite TV show. Right now, I am watching The Magician. Dude, if you like sci-fi, this is for you. Getting off topic. Oh, and comment down below what your favorite Netflix video is. I mean, movie right now or TV show. I need some TV shows to binge on. No, I'm just gonna let this sit on for 10 minutes and let it be really moisturizing to my face because right now it is so dry. So I will be right back. Now that I've let this sit for about 10 minutes, it's still like wet. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh, feels so good. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit, whatever is left in here, I'm just gonna scrape some out. And I'm just gonna put some under my eye and on top of my eye. I'm just gonna bring it down my neck. Because my face is still like wet, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this cloth and I'm just gonna dampen it a little. And yep, that's pretty good for me. So the next thing I'm gonna do is grab this Caudalie. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it looks like that. I've been trying this for a month now and it definitely moisturizes your face. I don't know, there's really no scent. And I just rub it on the spots that are really, really dry. And basically it's my whole face. And then I put the rest on my neck. One last thing I do is use this Mario Badescu. It's facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And I just mist it into my face. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you've seen it, liked it, and subscribed, welcome to the Tas fam. Today has been a long day and I feel like after like refreshing my face, it feels so good guys. I hope that you guys like this video as much as I did. Please let me know down below what you guys request, or if there's anything you want me to do. I would love to do it for you guys. Also, if you would like to be notified by me, click the bell next to the subscribe button. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys and see you on my next video.